Hey mamas, and welcome to another episode of CajunStork Shorts. Today I want to talk about the benefits of red raspberry leaf tea in pregnancy that I've seen in my practice. Now if you follow my YouTube channel, then you already know that I'm a real life practicing midwife located in Louisiana, where we work in a birth center and a home birth practice. Red raspberry leaf tea has become a staple in my practice. It originally started with, if you know anything about nutrition in pregnancy, then in midwifery education they teach us about so many benefits of red raspberry leaf tea, including electrolytes and nutrition. It can help with leg cramps. It can help with morning sickness. The benefits of red raspberry leaf just go on and on. But what I've experienced in my practice personally is when I've increased my mamas in their third trimester to 4 cups a day, their risk of postpartum hemorrhage after the birth, that is the bleeding that occurs around the delivery of the baby or the placenta, y'all, they're barely bleeding. It's absolutely amazing. So to put it in perspective, the average woman can lose like a cup of blood in a normal vaginal birth, but mamas who drink this, they're losing tablespoons of blood. It's really, really incredible. And so as a midwife, I recommend red raspberry leaf tea to all of my mamas in their pregnancy, keeping in mind, of course, that I serve the healthy, low-risk mamas who are safe to deliver out of the hospital. If you're high risk, you want to talk to your doctor or your midwife before you make this decision. But anyway, red raspberry leaf tea is awesome, highly recommended. I'm going to go ahead and post several links in the description below to any type of red raspberry leaf, including the tea. There's pre-made concoctions, there's capsules if you don't like to drink tea, just so many ways that you can get it in. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.